Welcome to Money Pit Boating. I'm Mark, and that's my buddy Coots. And we built this solar power boat to go on adventures that are a little different.
And on today's adventure, we're trying to get this thing to a place we've never been.
Oh, we're logging.
Log jams become quite a problem.
Ew.
How long is this tree?
Right?
I don't think so.
Yeah, numbers are gone. See the red flash and the numbers are on?
Oh, did you just cut all that?
Yeah, this thing's like dry as hell. All right, here's how you do it.
Oh my God. Sometimes when you clear log jams, it doesn't go as planned.
And there goes the saw. That is not how you do it. That thing's pinned in there so hard. That was one of my dumber plans. I think it's coming out. Me and my stupid ideas. Sometimes chopping stuff up is really fun though. Get the boat hook and then you push that thing. Maybe you push it like a man. Get underneath it and then lever it up. Oh. Ooh, something happened. Oh, there we go. Right in the chest. Coots in the galley. Two lumberjacks putting meat in their mouths. Can you grab the other battery?
You suck.
Is it stuck?
Yeah.
We're good at doing that.
Scalavirus.
Oh. Yeah. I love the guy who weighs like 100 pounds. I need you up front.
Yeah.
Dude, I can't go forward. No, we're backing up. Careful. Oh yeah.
New territory.
New territory. What did we hit?
Oh, a big rock. Oh, mama. It's a big jam.
Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers. Heads up on this one. Like I said. I want to do this guy, but wait. Oh.
I think there's a couple feet.
Look how much fucking shit we just cut through.
You better be careful that whole dam doesn't break and rush you.
You better be careful I don't rush it. Whoa. You ever surf a log, bro?
Sometimes our trip home is even more of an adventure than the actual adventure was. I didn't see anything. Jesus. Oh.
Remember last time?
Oh.
Jesus.
I'd have jumped behind you.
If we had an underwater chainsaw, I'd just jump into womp, womp,
Yeah.
womp, womp, womp. Totally blocking all the shots. Logs are heavy.
Yeah, I think just push that onto the shore.
That's some good turtle stuff right there.
Yeah.
Damn it. Wonder if we should get a pot.
That would make
A lot of sense. Because then we could just dump tons of stuff in there. Like we could put 4 cans of ravioli in there. Maybe even 5. Dude, look at this tree. What kind of leaves are these?
I think they're like seed pods. Wow! I almost went over. What was that?
Why did we stop here last time? Oh, we dropped the chainsaw in the water. Dude, that chainsaw just takes a beating. We took it in the water and just beat the hell out of it, and it still just cranks away. Like this little log jam stopping us. Hell yeah, you're suiting up? Hell yeah. Cut that one. This whole thing just roots down. Take a couple more of those. This is gone. Oh, something going down. Got a lot of shit up. Alright, gotta start locking this up. I'm ready whenever. Log it, baby. Log it. Good logging day right there. There's a boulder. There's another boulder. Hey, far to the right.
Yeah.
Dude, this is like right where. This is right where we were logging at, like the most today.
5 feet from being able to say we're in the home stretch. We get high centered.
You were just moving us. There you go. That's pretty good. Oh yeah, dude, good work. Here, let me gun it now. Whoa!